Hey mates, welcome to Tech Solutions, your tech guide. Do you want to install Waydroid on NixOS 22.05? With Waydroid you can run Android apps and games right on your Linux without any emulator. Give it a try. In this Linux tutorial we will be installing Waydroid on NixOS 22.05 wisely. So follow the upcoming steps carefully and install Waydroid on your NixOS wisely. Open Terminal app on your NixOS. For this setup we are on the most recent build of NixOS and our chosen desktop is GNOME. Before you can install Waydroid you will need to edit the NixOS configuration file to allow the Waydroid installation. You can edit it with Nano. Add the shown lines and save it followed by exiting the editor. Rebuild your NixOS configurations. This may take a while. Please have patience during this. It's done wisely. You can now install Waydroid as shown. This should install quickly. It's done. It's time to initialize Waydroid now. You can initialize Waydroid with gapps as shown. Initialization may take a while depending on your internet connection speeds. Please have patience during this as well. It's done. You will also need to edit this file as shown to be able to run Waydroid on your NixOS. Start the Waydroid container service as shown. Make it start at boot with this command. All done. Start the Waydroid session. Now start Waydroid with this command. You should be seeing Lineage OS booting screen. It's there. Waydroid is successfully installed on NixOS 22.05 with Google Apps support as well. It's based on Android 10. You can start using it on your NixOS. Anything to ask? Comment it. Thanks for watching. Good day.